Hi guys, I hope all of you can see and hear me. If you can see and hear me, let us actually get started. Guys, let's get started and let me actually share you my screen and let's get started for today's positional trading ideas, what actually you need to do for today. Okay guys, if you actually have been, can you just type in if you can actually clearly see and hear me so that I know everything is fine? I think actually things are fine. Okay, let's get started for today. And for today, what were we going to do? Let me actually explain you few things. Guys who are actually getting started, who are new, I would actually suggest you, who are all a part of my traders club, I'll give you instructions there directly. Don't actually see, this is a generic instructions which I'm giving you for everyone. So let's understand this. See, right now market is going to be in a range between 11,300 to 11,500. I told you if you actually want to trade in positional trading, extremely sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, let's actually get started again. So what I'm trying to tell you here is for today, we have actually made quite a lot of downside, and downside we don't have much scope left out for going down. So there is very likelihood from the intraday perspective also we should actually start moving on the upside. And positionally also, see what I'm trying to tell you is sorry guys, some issue is happening. It is actually getting disconnected quite frequently. I'll try to fix this up. But what I'm trying to tell you is on Friday evening, the main challenge what happened in the US market is it actually went down and it took a support again. It took a support again and it actually bounced back quite a lot, and we could probably see that similar bounce back coming in either today or tomorrow. As far as I can see, right now we are trying to hold on to 11,300, which is a good sign. As long as we are going to hold 11,300, probably we will move towards 11,500, because that is where we have the gap between 11,450 to 500. So that is a gap which is there, and very likely it is going to get filled. Okay, let's be get started with today's trading ideas and what you need to do. Let's actually get started. Okay, let's get started with the rules. See, very importantly is all the trading ideas, all the I have done my technical analysis before giving you any kind of trade, and only you need to do your own analysis before doing it, because before doing any kind of trade, because this is very important, because you are the one who are actually putting your money. You should actually do that, guys. Actually, why don't you please like this video so that more people will get to know about this. And guys, all the trades will always have a stop loss, always will have a target. It's very important for you to, it is always advised that if any of the thing are hit, you need to move out. Many times actually the first target is hit, then actually it comes back to the previous price, or probably it will also hit the stop loss. So it's very important for us to follow this, and if you are trying to actually move on to the next target, keep your stop loss to the buying price, and then actually further in the same direction you need to move. Please don't put all your money in one stock and try to gamble. So you need to actually put money in diversified things so that you would actually hold on to your portfolio. That is very important. So trade with the amount of money which you can actually afford to lose. Don't actually trade all the money with one stock, and don't try to gamble. I'm not charging anything for the free stocks, free stock tips, whatever I'm giving you. I just need your screenshot of trade which actually gives me I would also feel what do you say, it motivates me that more people are making money, guys. I just actually need that proofs that you are actually taking advice and you are taking benefit of that. Please try to share this with all your friends and give a testimonial. That will be the great help. All these are purely for educational purposes, and the investment is slowly your discretion. So let's quickly run through what actually we have done previously. And if you, any of you are actually holding, if I have to, if you need to hold, if you need to move out, it is very important for me to actually advise you on that. So 31st August, I am actually moving out all things which are more than a week and all. So we will actually keep things fresh, because if I keep doing every day, it is very difficult. So 31st August, these were the recommendations. Tata Motors, all targets achieved. TVS Motors, first and second target got achieved. JK Tires, first target got achieved. Amar Raja Battery, all targets achieved. Canfin Homes, first target got achieved. See, what is happening is after it has achieved, and after that, many times actually a lot of lackluster things have started happening. So be a little careful on that. See, Vodafone Idea, we have hit all the targets and have revised few more targets. Let's see how much further we can actually move on. Airtel actually, first and second target got achieved. Now actually it has moved much below that. So again, it has to give us a buy. Then only we have to see that. Then quotes, all targets achieved. Cipla, all targets achieved. Ashok Leyland, first and second target got achieved. Now BGR Energy, all targets achieved. JSW actually stop loss got, see, from this 2nd September onwards, I started giving you few negative calls, like 3 sell calls were there, 2 buy calls were there, and out of which actually 2 of the sell calls actually got executed, and third sell call actually stop loss got triggered. But if you actually look at the overall thing, after that the all the cells have started happening much faster. NMDC and IOC, as long as today's low, we can hold on to that. This call is still active. On 3rd September, all stop losses actually have got triggered. So there's no point. All stop losses have got triggered. And for 4th of September, we have hit 2 stop losses, and 2 of them we can still hold as long as today's low is going to actually hold. We can hold GMR Infra and Coal India. So this is the latest updates. So let's actually get started for today. Today, that the stocks which I'm actually looking for is JSW Energy at 59.5 is the place at which we will look at buying. Below 59 is the stop loss, and 61.62 is the levels which we are looking in the coming days. The second stock which I'm recommending you is SJVN. 23 to 23.5 is the level at which we are looking at buying. Below 23 we have to keep the stop loss. 24, 24.5, 25 is the targets we are looking for. Guys, look at this, very important to enter at the right prices, and keeping the stop loss is extremely important so that you protect your capital. It's very important. IRB Infra. This is the third recommendation I'm actually giving you. 123 to 125 is the level at which you are looking at buying, and 123 is actually the stop loss we have to look at, and 128, 130 is the level which we are actually expecting in IRB Infra. And infrastructure companies actually have started giving a lot of momentum nowadays. Biocon actually 418 to 420 is the level which we are looking at actually buying this, and below 141 is actually where we are going to keep the stop loss. So the targets will be 423, 425, 428. These are the different levels which we are looking for. Guys, that levels which we are looking for Nifty is between 11,300 to 11,500, and the levels which we are looking for Bank Nifty is between 22,500 to 24,000. So these are the levels at which you can actually look for buying and selling. And if there's anything you want to ask, you can go ahead and ask. If you are actually getting stuck somewhere, even after all these recommendations, and though actually all the recommendations, you can see a lot of actually our stocks have given phenomenal returns, even then many of you actually still actually struggle because of, one could be because of less capital, second because of no, lack of guidance. If you really want actually something worthwhile and consistent money, you need to be a part of Traders Club. If you have actually not attended my previous video, go and look at that, how to trade with small money. When you have less money, what you need to do, I have actually made a video, it is close to an hour. You just go and look at that video, that will give you an idea. And Traders Club guys, we I will be actually explaining you what we need to do for today after this call is over. So guys, if any of you are interested in the VIP Traders Club, I'll be leaving the link below. You can go ahead and join, and then you will get a much better recommendations. Anything you want to ask, guys, you can just leave a comment and I will actually reply back to you. Thank you very much, and have a great day then. Have a very profitable day, guys. Ashlesha Yadav, Happy Mind IPO. See, guys, IPOs, the challenge with IPOs is you can actually go ahead and do the investment in IPO, but until unless we see how actually the market is going to open, we need to actually look at this. You can always actually go and put the, what do you say, you can apply for the IPO. But if you are applying for the lower band, many times it may not actually accept. And the higher band also, if you actually go, how long actually it will go? Many times what happens is after IPO also, we may see the prices of the stock going almost double of that, or probably more than that. I personally feel it is better to go and buy in the open market rather than actually putting in an IPO, because you have a lot of restrictions when it comes to applying on the IPO. It's up to you. If you want to actually do that investment, you can always do, until we see how things are going to be taken. That is something which is very, what do you say, it's a little difficult to tell you. But one thing is this, the founders are actually good. Ashok Suta is actually known for his Mindtree venture. So because of that, it makes a lot of noise, and definitely a lot of people are definitely interested in that. And see, right now we don't have any data to actually substantiate it. So to tell you one thing is, see, it's actually something which you're looking in a gray area. I would personally do anything only after it is launched. Let it actually get released, and then actually we will look at how things are going. Is the valuation okay? Valuation not okay? Based on that, we will be actually looking at it. Okay, guys, if there's anything else, you can just leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. And thank you very much. Have a great and profitable day. Thank you very much.